You're sitting there in your dimly lit room, your heart hammering against your ribs because you just saw a red candle wipe out your entire week's profit. And now your finger is twitching over the buy button for a revenge trade that you know is a massive mistake. Stop. Breathe. You aren't a trader right now. You're a gambling addict looking for a hit of dopamine to numb the pain of being wrong. Listen to me carefully, because step one to mastering this game is killing the revenge trap. Did you know that 95% of retail traders lose their entire account within 90 days? But here is the shocking part. 80% of those blowups happen within just 15 minutes of a previous loss. Your brain's cortisol levels spike by 400% when you lose money, literally shutting down your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that actually knows how to trade, and turning you into a panicked animal. You aren't fighting the market, you're fighting a chemical explosion in your own skull. Step two is the oxygen debt. You think you can trade effectively while eating trash and sitting like a folded laptop? Your brain uses 20% of your body's oxygen, and if your heart is sluggish from zero exercise, your decision-making is garbage. You need to hit the gym and do the heavy squats, not just for the muscles, but to prove to yourself that you can handle physical discomfort without quitting. You need 15 minutes of yoga every morning to lower your resting heart rate, because when the market flashes red and everyone else is screaming, a lower heart rate is the only thing that keeps your finger off the panic button. Step three is the math of survival. Most of you think risking 5% of your account is being a shark. No, it's being a tourist. If you lose 50% of your account, you need a 100% gain just to get back to zero. Read that again. One aggressive morning requires a literal miracle to fix. Professional traders never risk more than 1% because they know that if they can't survive 10 losses in a row, they don't have a business. They have a countdown to bankruptcy. Step four is the ego execution. The market does not care about your rent, your dreams, or your feeling that the price has to go up. If you feel scared during a trade, your position size is too big, period. You're trading your emotions, not the chart. Step five is the data diary. If it isn't in your journal with the exact entry exit and the emotion you felt, then the trade never happened. Most of you will make the same dumb mistake next Tuesday because you didn't document the pain of today. Now look at me. I know you. You're going to close this, feel motivated for exactly 5 minutes, and then tomorrow morning you'll see a green candle and forget every single word I just said. You'll go back to your old toxic habits because losing money is easy and changing your mind is the hardest thing you'll ever do. But I'm going to be here reminding you every time you fail until you finally listen. If you actually want to be in that 5% that makes it, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and fix your brain before the market fixes your bank account to zero. See you in the next one.